Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove phone number from TikTok. Open your TikTok app. First, you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then you can find these three lines in here. So, tap on it. Now you need to go to settings and privacy option and then click on this account option in here. So here you can find this account information option in the top of all. So tap on it to change your informations on TikTok. Here you can see the phone number you added. So tap on it. Now you can see the unlink phone option in here. Tap on it to remove your current phone number. Then click on this continue to unlink option in the bottom. That given phone number will receive an OTP. Enter it here. Then your phone number will be removed from TikTok. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.